How to fix Instagram transaction receive timeout. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, check your internet connection. If it is not working, then connect to your unstable internet connection. Then head to the Play Store. Now tap on the search icon. Now tap on the search bar and type Instagram. Now click on search and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen and open up settings on a device. Now scroll down and click on apps, then go to app management and find Instagram. Now tap on force stop and then go to storage usage and tap on clear data. Now then tap on delete. Now restart Instagram. If nothing solves the issue, simply tap on uninstall. Then reinstall Instagram on a device. I hope this will fix the issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.